Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an iPhone-like keyboard on Realme 7 Pro. To install an iPhone-like keyboard, go to Play Store, then make sure you are in Search tab and search for a green Apple keyboard. Download this app. Then after a short while you'll be able to click on Open and then click on Enable in Settings. Now enable green Apple keyboard, click on Activate, then go back. Then click on Switch Input Methods and switch it to green Apple keyboard. Then click on Finished, and now you can adjust some general settings if you want. Then you can exit out of the app, and now whenever you go into an app, for example Google, it will open the iPhone-like keyboard. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.